Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on Introduction to Food Science. I am Assistant Professor Suhel Bhendawade, B.Voc Food Processing Technology, Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur, Satara. In this video, we'll explore the concept of food, the basics of food science, and the objectives behind studying it. This will give you a strong foundation to understand how food impacts our health and daily life. Here's what we'll be covering in this video. First, the concept of food. Next, the introduction of food science. And finally, the objectives of food science. So, let's get started with the very first part, the concept of food. Asterisk. Concept of food. Food is much more than just something we eat to fill our stomachs. By definition, food is anything solid or liquid which, when swallowed, digested, and assimilated, nourishes the body. It contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that help our body perform different functions. Food not only satisfies hunger but also plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, protecting us from diseases, and supporting overall well-being. A balanced diet, which includes a variety of foods, is the key to living a healthy and active life. Asterisk. Introduction of food science. Now, let's understand what food science really means. Food is a complex mixture of many chemical components. Food science studies the changes that occur in these components during preparation, cooking, and preservation. During cooking, several physical and chemical reactions take place. These may happen due to interactions between food components, the cooking medium, or even environmental factors like heat, cold, light, and air. Food science also focuses on the nutritive value of different foods and methods to preserve them. In short, it builds the foundation for both the theory and practical aspects of food preparation. Asterisk. Objectives of Food Science, Part 1. So, why do we study food science? Let's look at the main objectives. 1. To ensure food safety, identifying and preventing hazards such as biological, chemical, and physical contaminants. 2. To improve food quality by enhancing taste, texture, appearance, and aroma. 3. To preserve and extend shelf life, using methods like refrigeration, drying, and canning to prevent spoilage. 4. To maintain nutritional value, making sure food retains its essential nutrients during processing and storage. 5. To develop new and functional foods, creating innovative products that provide extra health benefits beyond basic nutrition. Asterisk. Objectives of Food Science, Part 2. Continuing further, here are some more objectives. 6. To apply food processing techniques, understanding how different methods affect safety, quality, and efficiency. 7. To reduce post-harvest losses, finding ways to minimize waste from farm to plate. 8. To ensure compliance with food laws, meeting all regulatory requirements for labeling, hygiene, and quality control. 9. To promote sustainable food systems, encouraging eco-friendly practices in production, processing, and packaging. 10. To educate consumers, spreading awareness about nutrition, food safety, and healthy eating habits. Asterisk. That brings us to the end of this session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the concept of food, the introduction to food science, and its key objectives. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video. Asterisk.